name is Mark Geiger. I just wanted to give a productivity update on my personal learning. Here I have a Stack, a microservices application I developed using Spring Boot, also Keycloak for security, and I just added a new module, simply add medication, which is here. Just updated the find item by ID to include a filter to limit the results to ones that were added by the user logged in through Keycloak. So let's another thing is I'm using the latest version of Spring Boot and also Cloud. So I have my Edge service, which is set up for my microservices application. I also have Keycloak up and running in a container here, and I have two modules, simply vital signs, module for vital signs, and then also for medication here. So I just added the module for medications, and we'll give it a spin and see how this works. First of all, I just added, as I mentioned, a method we can use to filter records created by records that were created by the logged in user. So let's go to our service. Let's see, so we could just do find by ID. So we want to go medication. And that takes a long ID. And that takes a string. And it is created by. And then let's go here, return. Oops, sorry about that. And then we'll take the ID. And then we'll go to the controller. And then that would be the get mapping ID. And this is going to be, we'll do this, okay. Medication, service, ID, and it's an ID, and then we'll pass in the JWT authentication principal. Inject that, which is awesome. Gotta love Spring Boot, man. It's amazing. And we'll just JWT get subject. All right, we'll give it a spin and see if this works. Okay, let's just go ahead and close this out. And then clean boot run. All right, looks like it's up and running. That's being run on port 9010, we go to Edge Service, and see where 9010 is. It's right here for medication. And then we'll just go to localhost 9000, which is what Edge Service is running on. We're going to log in through Keycloak. This is awesome. Isabel. All right. And then, so I can, before I had the first module I developed was vital signs. So I can go in and add blood pressure readings. We can just go in. 71. Okay. We'll add that, and we'll see. Follow our case of us stay healthy. That seems to be working fine, so we can go here. Eat more beef. All right, cool. All right, so you see that we're able to add, update, and we can delete if we wanted to. And then I have a couple of medication records that I added before. So let's just go ahead and remove this. And remove this. We'll add another one. So let's just say Tylenol. Plus. Hopefully we never need Tylenol, but active ingredients, product ideas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Comment is adding new medication record for demo. Great. Cool. Adding new medication record for demo, and as you can see, it's got the created by ID here. I love it. This is Spring Boot. And a stack. My stack is consists of the latest version of Spring Boot, the latest version of Keycloak, Spring Cloud, and it's just a phenomenal. I love working with these tools. It's just amazing. It just blows me out of the water. But if we wanted to delete this, we could just go here and remove. I can't wait to get this cleaned up. I know the UI. I forgot to mention that this another piece of the stack here is the UI. So I'm using Angular. So that's my update for today. I added a new module. The next update, the next thing I'll be working on for my own personal learning is getting is cleanup work. Adding the JWT subject, including that in all of my queries to limit the data that is queried to the user logged in through Keycloak. And this is using Spring Boot security. One other thing to mention is I am using R2DBC. I learned that before they came out with the Java 20, with Spring Boot support for virtual threads, but I'll just keep using it to learn more about it. And that is it. Thanks for watching.